Hey guys, welcome back to the Thirsty Collective. You got Cooper and Spleegee. Spleege? No, it's not just Spleege. She's trying to be all calm this time. Like
Spleege. Hey, I'm Spleege. We got one more. We got one more box.
One more box. Yeah, I got a Shining Fates ETB.
He's gonna get the Charizard.
I hope I do, man. I'm having positive vibes for it.
You're gonna get it.
Oh.
It's gonna happen.
Oh.
Check it out, guys.
If you guys haven't already done it, like and subscribe, and go check out the other videos. We have some more of these we've opened already, so check it out. We'll catch you guys in a second. We'll get this opened up. And we're back. We have this
promo.
Come on, focus promo. There we go. Eevee VMAX promo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have 10 beautiful packs. One of them containing the luxurious Charizard that could be mine. 2 of them.
Yeah.
Oh man, I mean we have gotten 2 roses in one ETB, right? You did.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Here. I'm gonna hit it. Let's go. Again, you guys haven't already done it. Like and subscribe. Join the Thirsty family. We have some subscriber out there that, like, as soon as we put up a video in like 4 seconds, they thumbs down it. I wonder why they subscribe to us. Just to thumbs down us every time. Thwacky, Floatzel. Hey, if they wanted attention, they just got it. What's up? Trapinch, Nickit, Gossifiller, Cuffant. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Bruh.
Shiny Cinescorch V.
Crazy. What's behind it?
Why? I don't even care. Volcanion, screw that thing. I hate that card. Passion.
Nice. It's really nice.
That was crazy. Cinescorch V.
Yeah.
Shiny. Whoa.
Fire. Something in the back.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Eldegoss.
Whoopie, whoa.
Tropus. Luxio. And
Pull that Charizard for me. Pull that Charizard for me.
Eevee.
Do it.
Yeah.
We getting heavy? Oh, whoa. Darmanitan.
Shiny. And yeah,
What?
that was
it really looked like there was something behind that, to be honest with you.
That was it.
You really did. The Darmanitan. That's cool.
101 Dalmatians.
101 man Darmanitans. Have you guys seen the trailer for the new Cruella?
No.
Yeah, it's got Emma Stone as Cruella DeVille. Yeah, it's kind of got that. It almost has a. What's the Harley Quinn?
Birds of Prey.
Yeah, that kind of stuff. It almost has a vibe like that. We got the Floatzel, Tropius, Ball Guy, Shinx, Coughing, Focus. Come on, there you go. Coughing, Horsey, Grookie, Morpeko, Choodle, and Professor's Research. Dang, a bunch of nothing on that. It's okay. It's saving it. We're gonna get really good packs later on. That's what's gonna happen. Come on, put some pep into it.
There it goes.
There you go.
4. Steel. Tropus. Rotom. Oh. Rusted Shield. Rowlet. Eevee. Morpeko. Voidzel. Nickit. Oh! That's a good one. And a Dreadnought. Oh. Heck yeah.
That's a cool. That's a good
That'll
one.
go good with your Kyogre.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Amazing rares. Amazing blues.
Wow. That's 270. What an attack.
He's strong. He's real strong.
Why does it not want to focus? I think it's the light behind us that's keeping it out of focus.
Yeah.
But it makes the shine really good for the cards when we get good cards.
You're correct.
There's a plus and negative to all this. All right, what are we gonna get? I think there's something really good in the back, but I don't know for sure. Cramorant, Grookie, Weasel, Yanma, Trapinch, whatever. Got a
Shinx.
Yeah. Nah, gosh dang Volcanion.
I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Which end does this open from?
Okay. Grass.
Off to a good start.
Ball guy. Floatzel. Philosopher. Cuffin. Spinarak. Tropius. And...
Oh.
So rude.
Come on now.
Beats all everything.
Beats all. Beats all. That's all I can say about that. Beats all.
Enough said.
Ball guy, Dart Tricks, Eevee, Gossifleur, Yanma, Snom. Gosh, Snom's always a bad sign. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, cool.
Whoa. Galarian Lanoon. Look at these cool colors.
That's pretty cool. I get to sleep.
Yeah, I got a coffee. Cool. I need you to have better luck than me, though. Better than that.
Oh, yeah, look. It's a Charizard pack.
Hey, look.
Hey, look.
Hey, look. Look what I can do.
Hey, look, sir. There it goes. Whoa. Grass. Rotom. Sword. Floatzel. Shinx. Coughing. Travis. Oh.
Nice, very nice. Ooh.
And
Oh, stupid Volcanion, man. I hate that card. I am so over it.
the card is out for
I'm
you.
so over it, man. That card's... I hate it. You can take one to burn. My sacrifices to the Pokemon gods. Oh, gosh.
You get a couple shinies.
Okay. Still got 2 more packs. Last 2 packs magic. 2 Charizards right here. Back to back. Or actually, I need a Ditto and a Charizard. So one's a Ditto, one's a Charizard. I prefer to have 2 Charizards, one for you and one for me. But it would just wrench everything, though.
You show me.
I'm trying. Eldegoss, Luxio, Trapinch, Nickit, Weasel, Shinx, Coughing, Luxio, and Professor's Research. Duh, what a poo pack.
Last pack.
Alright, I hope it happens, man. Show me. Get it. Make it happen. Yeah.
Shiny VMAX. So it says on the
You
back.
pull me a Charizard, you're leaving this house with a little box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Oh. There's something in the
There
back.
is something in the back about me it's gonna be Charizard. I hope it
Energy.
is.
What's the shield? Floatzel. Twacky. Khaki. Gossifleur. Snom. Tron. Nom. Oh!
That is cool. That is a good pull.
You said you wanted to do
I
that.
wanted that.
And
Oh!
whoa! What?
Double Ditto pack. Okay, this is a good pack. That's fine. Okay, close enough.
Last pack magic was cool.
Close enough. Last pack magic was cool.
What?
It's real.
That's crazy. That's really cool.
That worked out pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull my packs together, or my cards together, pulls together, all this stuff together. And get ready to show you guys what I got. Hey guys, we're back.
Yeah.
We got them.
Come together.
Check it out. All right. Here are the cards. Here is this Galarian Weezing. Go ahead and get that focus a little better. There we go. Ditto VMAX. Ditto V. Corviknight. This Galarian Lanoon. Reshiram. Darmanitan Galarian. Shiny. We got the Cinescorch V Shiny.
Some pretty decent pulls.
And I even got this little Eevee here too. Came out of the box.
Good
So
pulls.
yeah, some pretty solid pulls out of an ETB.
No Charizards, man.
No Charizards. Out of everything we've done so far, no Charizards.
I don't know what we're gonna do now.
I don't know.
Probably something else. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll wait and see. I've heard that they're gonna quadruple the print for this, so we'll see.
I'll
Maybe
get
more will
another
come
one.
out. Yeah, if more comes out, I'll get more. But I don't know if we're gonna catch them or not. You guys know what I'm talking about.
The frenzy is real.
It's real. We stood in the Walmart for almost 8 hours one day looking for stuff, and a Target for 4 hours another.
I was like, can you please share?
Yeah, this one guy had a cart full and it was like scalping. He was like, no, I'll share them to you, or I'll sell them to you for like $50 a box, but he wouldn't share. Like, he had a whole cart full and got them all. So, word of advice from us to you guys: share. If I had a cart full standing there with you guys, yes, we would all split it up. There was only a few things that were just have tos for me, and the rest I would have been more than happy to share. If I pick up extra, it's for this guy. So, this guy. Same in reverse.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Share.
Join the Thirsty family.
And drink water.
Be positive. Good vibes.
Till next time.
Let us know what you collected in the comments.
Later.